Video 653 of the Atomic Ivy MMO source code documentation. We're on BFJ_003. That stands for Bombs for Josh 3. We are working on all of the bomb simulation code and shader code that we're going to need so that Josh can start working on level design mechanics. We're going to create something called AIM.HTM, which is going to speed up our development process by allowing us to run on quote-unquote localhost. And I say quote-unquote localhost because we're not going to have to set up a server, like a NodeMon server. We're not going to have to do any of that bullshit. All we're going to do is we're taking Atomic Ivy MMO.js right here, and we're going to reference it in a script tag in this new file that I'm calling AIM.HTM. That stands for Atomic Ivy MMO.html. And let's go look at the contents of this new file. So if we go over to this tab, AIM.HTM, we see the title is called AIM.HTM. We have a basic doc type right here. We have Atomic Ivy MMO, Atomic Ivy MMO.js. The source code is included right here. And then we have some logging messages right here to kind of give us information as to, like, where the fuck are we, right? So we're on Hackish localhost. I say Hackish localhost because if you had Atomic Ivy MMO.js, if you had this file and you had this file and you are on a library computer, you could still get this to run, right? So it's Hackish localhost. So remember that the server code and the client code are all within the same file, Atomic Ivy MMO.js. That's why we can get away with this, right? And if we go to, let's just go take this and go right-click, and we'll go, there should be like a full file path to clipboard. Yeah, full file path to clipboard. Let's take that. Let's go paste it into the address bar. And so we're running on a file that's on our actual server. So we run it, and it's there. It's there, and it's working. And not only is it working, but if we go into Shader 7, we turn letterboxing off, we zoom out a little bit, we go up, up, down, down, left, right, and then the N key to load, our loader still works. We can still load level designs, and we can even run simulation, up, down, left, right, P. Okay, like and subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making an MMO from complete scratch and the rendering engine.